It's hard to believe the 7th-generation Volkswagen Golf is already 4 years into its life cycle. It seems like just yesterday it was released. It had a brand new shape, was built on the company's brand new MQB platform and was a lot sleeker and cleaner than any Golf before it. Funnily enough, it still looks fresh to me, but that hasn't stopped Volkswagen from releasing a newer version, dubbed 7.5. As the number suggests, it's not a new generation Golf, rather its halfway measure before the all-new 8th-generation car arrives sometime in 2020. The new Golf claims to be even smarter, more premium, and more frugal than its predecessor. It also gets a lot more tech than ever before, boasting all-new infotainment screens and the first digital instrument display in class. A superior offering all round, then. And it will need to be too, after the monumental upheaval Volkswagen Automotive Group has faced over the last 12 months, or so. That said, Golf is at the very core of the brand's foundations that follow the ubiquitous Beetle, the original people's car. Launched in 1974, Golf has been a truly phenomenal success story the world over. They are everywhere. In 2015, over 1 million were sold, and in 2016, the same. In fact, on average, a new Golf rolls off the assembly line every 40 seconds, which is simply staggering. It's also a model that has evolved into a semi-premium offering over the years, aspirational even, and not just for the Y-Gen, either. With Golf, there seems to be no particular age skew. Everybody wants one,